Welcome to another episode of Programmers Hub known as ProDev. It is a program that will educate people about programming, blockchain programming. So we will be talking about building a decentralized app on Coda, and your tutor is Herman Puri. So enjoy the class. In case you have any questions, drop it at the comment section. We will get back to you. Thank you.
So as you can see, I have done not a lot of changes into the file. So I just downloaded it from GitHub, cloned it, and imported the Gradle project. Now we will see how to run this code app. This is a template code app. It will run. So I'll open the terminal. There are basically four commands that you need to remember, which will be very frequently used. So in Windows, it is Gradle W build. In Linux or Mac, it is /Gradle W. But in Windows, it is just Gradle W and then build. This will take a few seconds. What's happening is when you do the build command, the Gradle creates all the folders, you can say, or the configurations that are mentioned in the configuration files and develops a skeleton of the code app. So when you hit the build folder, this Gradle folder will be formed. See, a build folder where you will find the information regarding all the resources in clients also, in contracts and in workflows. Everywhere a build folder will be formed and it will contain the information regarding the nodes or other components of the Coda. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to complete the build. Yeah. So after the build is complete, the next command is deploy nodes. So you can see before entering this command, this build folder has four folders: Kotlin, libs, resources, and temp. Okay. So when I do deploy nodes, I'm just waiting for another folder to be formed. Then I will explain what deploy nodes is doing. Yeah. So after deploy nodes, this nodes folder is also formed inside your build folder. So what this does is when you deploy nodes, it takes all the information regarding the nodes, all the RPC settings. You can search about RPC settings on your node also, and it forms the basic files of the nodes. So the node tree, the party A and the party B that I mentioned in the build file. So they all have a separate folder. And if you open up any folder, actually it's still developing, so you will have different folders for different information. There's the log folder where all your logs will be saved and a code apps folder. So our build is complete and deploy node is also complete.